Good morning, children. Okay, today we will discuss about the new chapter, materials and things, fifth chapter. Materials and things. Materials and things. We will discuss some examples so that you can understand what are materials and what are things. Okay, here just I will give you some examples so that you can understand it easily. Mary was sitting in her room. Mary is a girl name. Okay, she is sitting in her room and she is studying. Okay, suddenly, out of a sudden, she heard a loud sound from the kitchen room. And then she went to the kitchen and she saw the cat. Okay, it is running away. Okay, here you can guess it. What will happen if the cat is coming and it is running away in the kitchen room? What will happen? Okay, so many objects will fall down on the floor. Here also Mary also saw that many objects had fallen on the floor. Some of them are broken and some are not broken. You have to guess yourself which are the things that broken, which are the things that are not broken. You can understand it. Glasses or cups, these are the objects that we can think that have broken. The objects that would not have broken is steel, glass, everything. Okay, broken. First I'll write it here. What are the broken objects in the kitchen? She observed. Mary observed cup, glasses. Okay, glasses means not steel glasses. Okay, glasses, which is made up of glass. Cups, saucers. Okay, they have broken. Objects that would not have broken, not broken. What are not broken? You know that one. That is steel glasses, steel plates, steel bowls. It won't broke. You know this one. That is steel. Okay. These are the objects you can see. Okay. Okay. You have to guess yourself. Why some objects are broken and some are not broken. You can think of yourself. Okay. Here we are seeing several things in our activities daily. Day-to-day life we are seeing so many activities. These things are made of different materials. Depending upon the materials, we can say that they will broke or they would not have broken. Objects that would have broken we can say, and also objects that would not have broken also we can say. For example, if you are seeing the pen here, pen I will show you. If you are having, if you are seeing the body of your pen is made of plastic, outside it is made of plastic only. But if you are seeing here its clip, the writing part, it is made of iron. That is, it is made up of different material. Okay. Okay. Finding the materials used to make different objects in study. We can see the lot of things in our day-to-day life, and also we can see lot of things in our house also. You can see the objects, you have to observe it. If this object is made up of what, this object is made up of what. You have to imagine, you have to know. You have to this actually we have to discuss in the classroom, and you have to know this one. But now it is not possible, just I'll say. Okay. Suppose if you are seeing the door, what it is made up of door? This all of you know. Door is made up of wood. Some doors are made up of metal. Some doors are made up of rubber. So many are there. Generally we are having the doors made up of wood only. If you are seeing the material, wood material, that is metal. What are the things or objects? Utensils means vessels. Okay, vessels or utensils are Utensils, utensils, nothing but the vessels, patralu. This is made up of, this is a thing. Vastuvulu, no? This is a thing. Utensil, it is a thing. Thing or object also you can say. Not object, here thing, vastu. Vessels are things only, no? It's glass, steel plates, like that. They are the utensils you can say. Bowls. They are made up of what? Which material? They are made up of metal. Just you see here. They are made up of what? Metal. If you are seeing the bag, your hand bag or your anything bag, it is made up of dustbin bag. It is made up of plastic. If you are seeing the bag, that is an object or that is a thing, it is made up of what? Plastic. It is made up of plastic. Coming to the mirror. Mirror, it is the object you can say. Okay, you can see that in that mirror, no? That mirror is made up of what? Glass. These are the general observations we are seeing in our day-to-day life. It is made up of what? Glass. Okay, if you are seeing the table, chair, okay, if you are seeing the tables, how they are made up of? They are generally made up of material wood. If you are seeing that classroom tables, generally they are made up of wood only. Wood tables are there now, wood chairs and also wood sofas, that is material you can say. Wood is a material. Coming to the cloth, we are wearing the cloth. It is made up of what? Cotton material generally I am saying. Okay. Cloth is made up of what? Which material cloth is made up of? Cotton. Cotton. If you are seeing the shoes, your shoes, it is made up of leather. Okay. If you are seeing the cups, saucers, it is made up of material ceramic. If you are going to the kitchen and if you are asking your mummy, she can show you everything. Even though if she is learned, she know or not, she can show you everything. How are the cups made up of? Ceramic cups she will show you. If you are seeing your shoes, you can understand it is made up of leather. Leather shoes will be there, no? Like that. Idols, they are made up of rock. Material is the rock. Okay. Here, there are many objects in our surroundings. You know that one. Chairs, tables, cycles, utensils, glass, water, stones, bullock carts, buses. So many objects, so many are there in our surroundings. The different objects, they are made up of different materials. If you are seeing some objects, they are made up of one material. Some object, it is made up of more than one material. That is, mixed materials are there in one object. Okay, some object is made up of only one material. You have to know which object are made up of only one material, which objects are made up of more than one material. You have to know. Actually, how many materials are types of materials are there? They are used for making the chairs. You have to know. You have to understand yourself. Okay. Here, finding the objects made from the different materials we'll study now. Just simply finding the objects made from the different materials. Finding what objects? Finding objects made of different materials. That is just now discussed. That is names of the objects and also names of the things we discussed. That is the finding the objects made up of what? That is, utensils are made up of metal. Mirror is made up of glass. Table is made up of wood. It already we discussed. We see that the same material can be used to make different objects. You know this one. Each object it is used for a special purpose. Suppose chair is there. We are using that one thing for the sitting. That is object or something. It is used for some special purpose only. So we have to know the properties of the materials, and also we have to know the properties of the objects. Why means to decide which material is used for making an object. Some materials are, if you are seeing some materials, they are so soft. Okay, some are so hard. If you are seeing the chairs, they are so hard. Some you are observing it as the soft, some are you are observing it as the hard. Similarly, some you are observing it as the shiny, and some are you are observing it as non-shiny, that is not shiny. Depending upon these properties, materials are used for the different objects. Okay, on what basis we can classify these materials? How do we decide this material used for making an object? We have to know this one. We are using the different materials for the different purposes depending upon their properties. Okay, here coming to the properties of materials. That is, what type of material can be used to make a window. Okay, if you don't want someone to see through it, what type of material you are keeping there? Some windows are transparent, that is you can see from them. Some are opaque, that we will discuss now, means which we are not able to see. What type of material can you use to make a window when you don't want to see someone? What type of material you are keeping there? What type of material can you use to make a window when you want to see? Generally in the shopping malls you are able to see. You can see that is window will be there, but we are seeing that side and this side, both sides we can see. That one we are using in the shopping malls, but in our houses we are using the window as we are not seeing the outside. We are seeing the outside, but other fellows they are not able to see inside. That type of windows we are using nowadays. But which type of material they are using for making a window like that, we have to know. If you are seeing the cricket ball, can you make a cricket ball with a glass or with mud? It is not possible. Why it is not possible? You have to know. You have to guess yourself. Okay, just we can see the properties of the materials and their use. Okay, here we can see some properties of these materials that we are using, that we are able to recognize something. First one is the transparency. The name itself is there, transparent. Transparan, transparency. Transparency means which we are able to see. Just if you are seeing the shopkeepers, they are storing the eatables, that is they are storing the, if you are going to the sweet shop, how they will be, you are able to see all the sweets and all the biscuits in glass jars they are keeping, in glasses they are keeping. You are able to see. Why do the shopkeepers, they are usually storing eatables like the sweets and biscuits? Why means the shopkeeper, he wants his customers means those who are buying, we are calling them as the customers. The shopkeeper wants to his customers to see all this material inside, to see these items. That's why he using one type of material for that, glass. We all know that we can easily see through the glass. If glass is there, we are able to see easily. Such materials, we are calling them as the transparent. What we are calling? Transparent. 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 Okay. Here we cannot see through some materials like wood. If wood is there, we are able to see that side. We are not able to see that side. If steel is there, we are not able to see that side. Suppose cardboard is there in the middle of the room. If one cardboard is there fixed in the middle, are we able to see that side? You are not able to see that side. Totally it is blocked. Totally it is stopped there only. We can't see other side. Such materials we are calling them as the opaque. What opaque? O P A Q U E. Opaque we are calling them. Okay. It is a opaque, you can say. Okay. This is about the transparency and opaque. Okay, children. Okay. In the next class, we will discuss about the other activities and other examples. Today, we will discuss about the important one is the transparent and opaque. Okay. Here, today's homework for you is write the definition of transparent and also opaque, and also give the examples. Only small little only I am giving for you, children. This you have to do. You have to write in your notes. Okay. And you have to send the pic, children. The definition of transparent and example of the transparent objects or transparent materials, and opaque definition and example. This is a homework for you, children. Okay, bye for today's class.